Good morning. Today we're going to unbox the Happymodel Mobula6. This is a much anticipated model, so let's get right on with it. So we have the bubble wrap Mobula6, and let's just check this box. You have nut 1, nut 2, nut 3, but 4 batteries. That's awesome. And then we have spare props, a screwdriver, spare screws, and a prop remover. You also have a USB charger and the usual Happymodel manual. And you have the Mobula6 itself. So it's a 65mm whoop, and it uses the usual Happymodel 65mm frame. And it's got this lightened canopy holding the Runcam Nano 3. So you have this foam here. This is to prevent jello. So some people have been removing this and they were encountering jello. So do not remove this foam. So the props are gem fan tri-blades, and the motors are Happymodel 0802 25,000 kV. So take a look at that here. Yeah, there. So 25,000 kV. So this is the racing edition. The FC is a Crazybe F4 Lite. So it's got an integrated Rx and Vtx. So definitely it is light. The pigtail is a JST-PH with solid pins. So here's a closer look at the FC. So you have the camera connector, the motor connectors, which you can easily remove. So that should lighten things up a little bit. Then you have the boot button here, the USB port here, the LED pad, T2 pad, R2 pad, then you have 5 volts here, ground, inverted R1, and non-inverted R1. And you have the bind button here. And on the other side, you have the battery pads here, and the antenna for the VTX, so they're using an enamel coated wire. And then there are pads here for the ground, so you should be able to install a coax antenna. And then we have the receiver antenna here. And we have pads here for the buzzer, so buzzer and 5 volts. Let's see how much it weighs. Let's turn up the light. There, that's better. The frame weighs 3.2 grams. The canopy weighs 0.7, but you have this adapter for holding the camera and the screws. So the total weight is 1 gram. The props are 1 gram also. The motors are 7.5 grams. The motor screws weigh next to nothing. The Runcam Nano 3 is 1.3 grams. The FC is 4.7 grams. And FC mounting also weighs next to nothing. Of course, all of those add up, so we end up with a total weight of 19.7 grams. That's awesome. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Mobula6. It's a very small, very light whoop, and I think it's going to be perfect for indoors use. For outdoors, maybe not so much because it's so light that a very slight breeze can actually blow it around. Nonetheless, I think Happymodel has another winner. Thank you for watching.